Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the tables. Pick the parent table with the primary key and the child table that will hold the foreign key. Once done, confirm both columns use identical types and lengths. Mismatches will block constraints. You should also scan current rows for orphaned references and either delete or update them, or stage changes in a temporary table. Make sure to have a tested backup and appropriate permissions before you alter schemas, so you can roll back if needed. You now add the foreign key constraint. Use alter table add constraint or include it during create table. When defining it, explicitly choose on delete and on update behavior. CASCADE for automatic removal, SET null when you want to preserve child rows, or restrict/no action to prevent changes. Once the FK is defined, create an index on the child column. S, if not automatic. This speeds joins and helps the database validate changes efficiently. Finish by validating integrity. Run joins or not exists queries to ensure every child row references a valid parent. If the database rejects the constraint, inspect the error and use a targeted query to list offending rows. Repair them by updating or removing invalid references, then retry. Make sure to inform developers about the FK semantics so application logic handles cascades correctly. If things still go wrong, restore from backup. Reapply fixes in a test environment, and only then repeat the deployment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.